And let's start. Whoa, she's high. Oh, that's too high. That's too high, isn't it? That's too high, actually. We might have to use our scaffold here. I'm going to have to use the scaffold because that's just a bit too high. Alright, so we've changed the plans. It's just out of reach for me. 3.5 metre stud. Thought I could get there. Right, so this is going to be, so this is adjusting on the fly now. That was actually too high. That was at full strength. I couldn't get enough pressure on the box there with this handle. So I'm just going to use the scaffold. I'm going to lock the wheels, of course, so I'm not moving. And we're just going to do half a joint at a time. So that's working all right. Yeah, that's working good. So I like to do 2 passes for this first initial box coat. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our box to where we want it. We're going to engage the brake. So it's right where we want it when we put it on the ceiling, and then we're going to release the brake and then hold the brake again when we come off the ceiling. And that's so the box doesn't flop around. Just gonna go over a bit there. Haven't quite got our angle. Smacking the thing off. Okay. Gotta watch where we're where we're standing on the scaffold. Okay, that's good. So you can see how fast this is, especially if we weren't on the scaffold, we'd probably be done by now, but just had to make that adjustment. Try with the angle on the next one over. I should be able to get these two off the scaffold. All right. Now, when we're putting our box down, I always like to rest it in the corner so it can't go anywhere. If you sort of put it against the wall, there's a chance of it falling. So, always best to put it in that internal